Thank you, Jared. Without further ado, I'm going to talk about our team and then give our 30-second pitch for our product. All right, as you guys can see, this is the slide about our team. Our team consisted of James, Connor, Greg, Matthew, Valerie, myself, Aiden, and Jared. And on this slide, we shared the different ways that we like to de-stress. As you guys can see, it ranges quite a bit from running 6 miles to solving Rubik's Cubes or just hanging out with friends and family. I like to stress that it's important that everyone has a way to decompress, to be able to cope with the daily stresses of life. It's important to have fun sometimes, and it's important to find a way to just relax. Otherwise, it doesn't manifest very well for people's mental health. So here's just some ways that we like to do that. Hi, this is DStressor. Did you know that school stress is a major issue facing students today? Kids don't have enough free time, and teachers lack the resources they need to recognize stress levels. Kids Health tells us that many kids are even too busy to relax after school. Our team has come up with a user-friendly app to help teachers detect and prevent students' stress disorders. Our DStressor app allows teachers to ask students a series of questions to determine which students are at risk for stress disorders. Teachers use their students' results to discuss treatment options with parents to prevent further issues. Our kids are only kids once, so why don't we let them enjoy their childhood? And with that pitch in mind, I'm going to turn this over to Connor to give you our Lean Canvas blueprint.